waste your time on big remote jobs that promise you big money that you never get to lay your hand on. They put you on wait list for days, months, weeks, even years. They never get to invite you. Why not try this surveyor site that put money in your pocket every minute that you spend on them? These surveyor sites are not that popular, and a lot of people are neglecting these two surveyor sites. And this surveyor site is the game changer. You don't need university degrees. You don't need to have 10 years or 20 years experience. What you need is your smartphone and stable internet connection. That is all. You are good to go. In this video, I'll be sharing with you two surveyor sites that you can be making daily monies without stressing yourself. I'll be walking you through step by step on how you can successfully sign up to this surveyor site and start making money. Now, mind you, these surveyor sites are not get rich quick, but it's something that can put money inside your wallet if you are consistent and diligent to do your job. Anyone asking you to pay any money to sign up to any website, that is a lie. If you want to sign up to any website, make sure you study everything about that website, the payment method, how legit that website is, so that you don't end up wasting your time. I'm Steve Shavera. In this channel, I teach legitimate online jobs, AI platforms, websites that make you money from the comfort of your home. So if that sounds like what you want, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to it. Guys, if you have not been trying all these surveyor sites that always bring out here, you are missing a lot. This is Curious Cat. This is one of the surveyor sites that you don't want to miss. And there's something about this surveyor site. It's not like other surveyor sites that you need to use your prosody or you just register anyhow. You need to follow instruction on this surveyor site. If not, you will not be able to access this surveyor site, especially if you're in these African countries that are not allowed on this site. So I'm going to teach you a way to set up your prosody so that it will not affect it. This is not just normal on your prosody or your VPN. There is a way you set it. Now, for you to be able to do this surveyor site, if you are in this side of our country, you need two phones. If you don't have two phones, you won't be able to access this. Now, first of all, I'm going to take you to my gallery. I'm going to show you some things that you need to do first before we can be able to create this account. This is not an account I can just jump and start creating. I already have the account, so I'm going to show you the steps I take before I create the account. Now, I'm taking you straight to my gallery to show you some things that you need to see. Before you create this account, you need to get this app, VPN Hotspot and Prosody. You get this app. The first step is that you go to settings. Once you go to settings, you come to this particular place that says remove permission and free up space. So you toggle it on. The next one is that you come to unrestricted. You click on your unrestricted. Then you move straight to start prosody. Now, all this is done in a different phone, not the main phone that you want to use to do this survey. So this is done it. And make sure that your prosody port is 8080, not 5050, the normal way or the other way. So this is what you use. Come to this place, say start prosody. Then after that, you come down to this place that says start prosody server and start Wi-Fi hotspot. So it's the hotspot from this one that you install this prosody that you will use on your phone. That is the one that the hotspot, that's the hotspot you will use to connect data, connect network to the main phone you want to use to do this survey. So this is how it is. Once you say start Wi-Fi hotspot, then you come to this place. This is the phone that you want to use. The main phone you want to use. You come to this place. Let's say this place that said limit IP address tracking. Limit IP address tracking. You turn it on. Then you now come down to this place. To this place that say configure prosody. So when you come down to this other place, you see manually. You see manual, off, and automatic. You click on manual. Then you come down to this place again. Here it says stop prosody. Make sure the moment you click on that start prosody, it will turn to like this. Now this is the IP address. Prosody is running on, so the prosody is automatically running. Now this is where you can now go and create account. Create the account itself. Don't use direct hotspot from the normal phone you are using to create the account. Make sure you use hotspot from the phone where you download that app to use the hotspot. So this is it. So guys, I want you to tell me at the comment section if you want me to make full video, full tutorial on how to set this up. I'm just showing you the upside. If you want me to show you the main details on how to set up this process and how to create that Curious Cat account, leave the comment at the comment section. You will be getting the video on Wednesday. I will drop the full video on Wednesday if you are able to indicate at the comment section. If you find this video helpful, I want you to comment at the comment section. I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Right here is TimeBuck. Look at it very well. This TimeBuck is one of the best survey sites I've ever seen. Now, that does not mean you should not make your own research when you want to log into this site. So this survey site is basically not just only survey. You can also play game. If you are good in playing games, you can as well make a lot of money from this survey site. And this survey site is one of the survey sites that pays you every day, as long as you hit the threshold. Immediately you reach the $3 threshold, you can withdraw your money directly. They will give you opportunity where you can input your bank details, and that place is where they will transfer the money direct to your bank. So let's get to it. So this is how the interface looks like. Now this is the reward and referrals and bonus. They always give bonus every week. Now the amount you earn, if they add a bonus, sometimes the amount will be accumulated like double. They were on that bonus time. Now they have this referral. If you refer someone, you will make more money when you refer somebody. Now also, if you are the type that you can play game very well, you will do well on this survey site. Also have surveys, tags, and offers. So there are a lot of ways you can make money from this survey site. This is one of the best survey sites I'm currently doing right now, and that does not mean you should not make your own research, as I said before. So here is how the survey site looks, and this work basically all around the world. If you are in Nigeria, you don't need proxy to access this. You can access it normally and be able to get survey. And this is one of the survey sites that doesn't discriminate. A lot of survey sites discriminate. The moment they notice your proxy or your VPN, they just will screen you out immediately. This survey site does not discriminate. You'll be getting surveys. Now, as you start earlier, you may not be getting enough surveys, or you may be getting a lot of screened out, but the moment you keep consistent, you will start getting a lot of surveys to do from this site. And this site pays every day. The moment you hit the $3 threshold, the money will be transferred straight to your bank account. And in this video, I'm going to also show you how to input your bank direct here. So money will be credited straight to your bank. And there are different ways through which you can withdraw your money from this site. So these are surveys that you can literally do. So let's go to payment side. Where to put your bank details, you come to this three dots line here, you come down to settings, you will see profile, password, email notification, payment, username, and profile picture. So you come down to payment. So this is payment. This is where you select the payment method you want to use to withdraw your money. I use airtime to withdraw money from this place, and what you do is that you put the payment email and put the email of that bank here. You put the email. Now once you put the email, they are going to ask you for password. The password you are going to put is the password you use open this very TimeBuck. So you click here, update. Once you update it, everything will set. The moment you hit the $3 threshold, they will transfer the money straight to your account. So these are the payment methods they are currently supporting as at now, which is airtime. Airtime, you can easily go to your Apple Store, install it, and register. Create account first before you create this very account. Make sure your bank details is active first. Now, a lot of surveys you can do. The moment you register, you'll be having 17 surveys are waiting for you to start up with. There is assessment that you need to go through the moment you register on this platform. That assessment contains 30 questions. That 30 questions are very easy and simple questions that you can get 30 over 30 if you pay attention. Now, the minimum percentage you need to get is up to 70%. But you can get 100% because it's very simple if you pay attention to the questions. Now, some of those questions are repeated like 3 times. So what you need to do, you need to be consistent on the question, on the answers you are giving. So the moment you are able to pass that test, that is all. Now, when you want to sign up to the platform, make sure you use the details in your government ID. Don't use a different name or a different date of birth. So use the current ones you are using. So this survey site is currently all around the world. If you look at this place, you see different countries. You can access this survey site without using Prosry or VPN. So this is worldwide. Anyone can do it. So take advantage of it, especially those people that doesn't like using Prosry or VPN. This is one of the survey sites I recommend for you. So guys, let me know if you'll be trying this site, and also try to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing to you more updates on new survey sites that is not popular but are really paying very well. See you when next I come. Bye bye.